Hello, third grade parents. I just wanted to take a moment at the start of this video and just say thank you so much for helping your students get logged in, get everything set up for their digital learning. It was really awesome to see in the communication I got from parents about different questions and how to troubleshoot. So I really appreciate that because it also gives me an insight what is going on digitally at home. So that was great to see and great to have that communication. Please do not hesitate to communicate to me about any problems or issues that you are having. I am so grateful that you guys are helping your students, and I would love to continue that support. So now for this video, this is about two main places that I'm going to place the link for Google Meets for our classroom meeting tomorrow, Friday, the 27th at 10 a.m. So I'm going to send out the link at 9:50 in the morning to your emails, and I'm also going to post it on your child's Google Classroom. And I'm going to take you through that now so you guys kind of have an idea about where to find this stuff. So the first thing, I'm just going to send the link, and I sent it in the email yesterday, an example. So the link is going to look like this. This is an example, please do not use. So there's two ways you can join the meeting. If you do not have a Google email, Google Meets will not work. But please do not worry if your kiddo has a phone or if you want them to use their phone. If you dial into the number that is provided and then enter the PIN, it will bring you right to that Google Meets. Another thing, if you or your child has an own personal Google account, you just have to click on this link and it will take you right to the Google Meets for our classroom. So that is the first way that I will send out. Is it will be sent out to your own personal email just in case, so that you have it along with the kiddo. So now the second way that I will post it is if you have your kiddo go right back to the third grade e-learning site, and if you have them go to the TSD resources and have them click on the Clever so that they can get right into the Clever app. So same thing, you're going to log in as a student, but I am a teacher, so I'm going to take us the teacher route. Mine is already logged in. I will post the other video about how to log in to Clever, again, just so you guys have that resource. So once they are in Clever, if your kiddo goes down to the bottom, if the Google app is already set up for Google Classroom, you're just going to have them click right there for the Google Classroom. A lot of your kiddos will have a bunch of different Google Classroom sites. Make sure they click on Ms. V's third grade class. That is our classroom that we use during the school year. So I have posted another example of the Google Meet. So it will just be on stream. It will just be the first one right there. So once you have your kiddo, click on the Google Meets link, and then this is what it will pull up. So this is our class video meeting, and then all they have to do is just click right on the class video meeting, and that will take them directly to Google Classroom. So that is a second way of how I'm going to post the link for tomorrow so that your kiddo can access the Google link through their Google Classroom to help with making sure that they have a Google account so that they can participate in the Google Meets tomorrow. If for some reason the Clever app right here does not take them directly to Google Classroom, it is okay. The thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to have to create a new tab. So if I create a new tab, I'm already signed in to my account. So from there, they're just going to have to go to the Google Apps, and then Google Meet should either be right there. And if it is not, then you might have to scroll down a little bit to find it. Same thing with Google Classroom. So Google Classroom is right there. And then if you just click on it, it should take them right to the Google Classroom site. So I hope that this has kind of helped about where I'm going to post the Google Meets link and how you can help your student access the link. So please do not hesitate to ask me if you're still a little bit confused from this video about how it's going to work tomorrow. Please email me. I will email as soon as I can and help troubleshoot as much as I can. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm trying to figure out ways that will be beneficial for student and parent to help navigate through this challenging time of digital learning or remote learning. I think I have answered all the questions so far, or kind of gone through most of what it will look like for tomorrow's classroom meeting. Please do not think that this is mandatory. This is not mandatory at all. It's just kind of to reconnect with a student-teacher and a student-student. So as always, thank you so much. Please make sure you're taking care of your family first and making sure that you all are staying healthy. As always, please just email me of any questions or concerns that you have. I would be more than happy to help. Thank you so much for watching this video again. Please have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.